Welcome to the Neutron Atom Air Fragrance Bottle Replacement Step-by-Step Guide. Before we begin, you will need the key for your dispenser and a fragrance refill. Also, it's important to wear proper PPE. In this case, you'll need disposable gloves. The first step to replacing your fragrance bottle is to open the dispenser using the key provided. Insert the key and turn to the open position. Move the switch to the power setting. Then, remove the empty bottle and diffuser from the cabinet. Unscrew the diffuser head and discard the empty bottle. Now, grab your new refill. Unscrew the cap and attach the diffuser head, placing the attached dip tube inside the bottle. Hand tighten. Place inside the dispenser. It will snap into place. Move the switch to the battery setting. Finally, close the dispenser and lock using the key provided. Repeat these steps as needed for all Atom Air dispensers. If it's time to replace the batteries and diffuser tube, please watch the video titled Replacing Your Atom Air Batteries and Diffuser Tube. Otherwise, you're done for the day. Enjoy your Atom Air odor control system. Neutron Industries, providing for cleaning professionals and professionals who clean.